with the popularity of ceramic coatings, hybrid coatings, polymer coatings, and all these new ceramic sprays and things like that, there's so many different coatings on the market. A lot of people are thinking that wax is dead. It's the end of traditional wax. In this video, I'm actually going to tell you that wax isn't dead and it still has an amazing place. One of the cons of wax is that it has no physical way to bond to a surface. It doesn't create a completely closed film, and the wax droplets simply just sit onto a surface. That's why it's not as durable. So that's one of its cons, but actually the cons actually make it a pro, because we can use that less durability or those wax droplets as a sacrificial layer. And that's what us at Sonax think a wax is great as a sacrificial layer. So we apply it and we use its low durability to help protect the protection, so to speak. So waxes are great over the top of our ceramic coatings, CC Evo, CC 36. And they're a fantastic idea. If you're going on a long journey or you're about to embark on a journey in the car, it makes absolute sense to wax the front of the vehicle or areas of high traffic where those wax droplets will actually stop dirt and stuff sticking to it, tar, road salt, bugs hitting the front of the car, will all land on those wax droplets. And because, you know, the low durability, the fact that they don't bond, after a few washes, the wax droplets will fall away, taking away those dangerous contaminants and leaving us with still amazing paintwork. That's why even if the car is ceramic coated, it makes absolute sense to apply a wax. One of the fastest wax that we have, Sonax, is high speed wax. Clue is in the name, high speed. Easy enough, spray directly onto the cloth. You can again spray onto the panel. It doesn't matter, I prefer to spray on the cloth because it's not as messy as spraying this. You can get over spraying stuff. But then all you need to do is apply, buffing around. And the best thing with high-speed wax is to just keep working it till it starts to disappear. And then once you're finished, just turn the cloth over or grab another cloth, whichever is easiest for you, and then just buff off. Simple as that. Now, high-speed wax gives you 4 months durability. That's washing once a week. So we can use that to sacrifice it, as I said, to protect the protection. So we have a lovely ceramic coating and we have lovely paintwork. So we want to protect the paintwork, and the ceramic coating's doing a good job, but we can also protect the ceramic coating and the paintwork by applying a wax over the top, as I said, if you're on a long journey. It gives amazing slick finish, so that actually helps with friction, so it actually helps prevent scratching as well, which is another pro. And it also, with high-speed wax, gives you amazing protection, amazing water beading effect, and it will just stop dirt contaminants sticking it. So we have it in 500 ml in a retail pack, and we also have it in a litre labelled as Profiline Speed Protect for professionals. Obviously larger bottle size means less price per car. And the slickness is that slick that, yes, even the bottle won't stand up. Good catch. And there you have it. Wax isn't dead. Use it as a sacrificial layer and it will protect your protection. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button because we have lots of more videos coming of cool stuff. And if you have any comments or any questions, please leave them below and I will get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.